Hello friends, welcome back. Today I went for a very small visit to a nursery, and it is just for an overview that I go to check out if something is new. But then somehow I picked up some plants, and they are the ones that I'm going to show you today. So let us start. Okay, this is the first plant. It's called as a Ficus microcarpa. I do have ficus plants, but then this was a very little different variety, and it was a very small plant. So I picked it up. It's in a very small pot. I can just keep it next to a window and give it indirect sun for some time. Then I could shift it outdoors. I paid 130 for it. Well, this one is a Dischidia plant, which has been sold in a small hanging pot, and it is quite healthy, and I had a similar variety already. I do have one, but then this looked very nice. For this I paid 350. It is in a sponge material, so if you notice it, it's inserted in a sponge, and then there is all coco peat around. Since this is a trailing succulent plant, they look fantastic in hanging pots, and that's the reason I picked it up. I picked up also another Dischidia, which is little similar to it, but then in a hanging pot again, and it's trailing downwards. I have a similar one again, but then somehow I do not have it as a hanging pot, so I picked it up. Again, I paid 350 for this one as well. This is fully into coco peat. It's not inserted into any sponge material, and it looks very healthy. Especially these leaves that I saw, I thought it could be a variegated one, but it is not. It is somehow discolored. But then this Dischidia looks pretty, and that's the reason I picked it up. So let us move on to the next one. The next one that I have picked is now my current favorite, which is Sansevieria. So I've been collecting plants of Sansevieria, and this is one variety that I did not have, and I picked this for 130. So I thought the price is quite reasonable, and that's the reason I picked it. Also, another thing I noticed is what they have done is basically at that particular nursery, they have divided and propagated them separately, and they're selling off these plants for a lesser price. So 130 I thought was quite reasonable, and that's the reason I picked this. This is another variety of Sansevieria that I have picked. A very healthy plant. I have a very similar one, but this had a lot of goldenish or yellow color to the leaves in the white. So I picked this up. I can propagate it. I would get 3 plants of the same variety. Also, another thing is I do not know exactly which variety of Sansevieria this is, but then when I'm doing a video on all the collection that I have of Sansevieria, I would be giving proper names of the same. But then this is a fantastic Sansevieria, for which I paid rupees 300. Well, along with this, there is another philodendron that I picked up. I'm not sure whether it is a philodendron Prince of Orange or it is another variety again. Well, I have to check on the same. But for this particular plant, I think it's a dwarfed variety, for which I paid rupees 130. But if you consider the soil, they have propagated it themselves and use this sticky kind of a soil, for which I will have to repot it very soon. And the next one is what I was eagerly waiting for a very long time. This is my Raven ZZ, which is the most prized ZZ you can say. For this one stock and for that half new stock that is coming up, I paid 500 for this pot. Again, I feel they have propagated it themselves from a larger pot, and like they are dividing it and recovering the cost. People wouldn't want to pay 3,000, 4,000 for a huge pot. So what they are doing is they're separating it and selling it for a lesser price. For this I paid 500. If you look at the soil, it's quite bad, but then 500 is quite good, I feel. And the next one is this one, which is like a priced succulent. Let me tell you more about it. Well, the name of this is the agave plant, but it's a rare variety. The name is Ohirigine Shiro Nakafu, or it's also called as a variegated dwarfed butterfly agave. It's also called as a silver star. I was very surprised to see it, and you won't believe the price that I paid. I paid 130 for this rare plant. Of course, I think they have been imported from Indonesia, but I was very happy to look at it, and hence I picked it up. And the next plant is a Sansevieria. It is called as a Sansevieria Whitney, I think. I looked at this plant and I was very happy to see it. A very different variety which I do not see in other nurseries, and I was getting at a good price. I paid rupees 250 for this, and I was happy because I could propagate it. That's what I think mostly when I look at plants, into another plant by removing off that baby puff that is there in the same pot. All in all, very happy with the Sansevierias that I picked, but I still have one more plant to show you, which is a fantastic green with a lovely maroon. So let's check it out what it is. Well, he just told me it is some metallic plant, which he could not tell me beyond that. I tried to ID it, but it was showing as some banana leaf, which it is not. So, but look at the awesomeness of the leaf. It has a light tinge to it of dark green, and it looks fantastic. I mean, the leaves are looking fantastic. I do not know the name, but then as and when I can locate it, I will definitely mention it to you all. Well, that is all, friends. Thank you so much for watching this purchase that I have done. I'll see you again in the next one. Thank you. Bye.